Hello and welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, I just wanted to remind you that as you're doing your annotations, just remember that you have a benchmark. So if you have selected EURUSD as your currency of choice, then we already outlined that you need to select dollar index or DXY as your benchmark. So in everything that you're doing on EURUSD in your annotations and in your studies, make sure that you're doing the same thing in your benchmark, which is the dollar index. So for instance, if you annotate and you observe and record maybe a screenshot, for instance, as an example, take it into your study journal. Maybe this is the weekly analysis. So you can indicate this as, for instance, you can indicate this as EURUSD. Maybe this is a 1 hour chart. Then below it, make sure that you include your benchmark so that you're doing your studies including your benchmark and your currency of choice, 1 hour chart. So you include your benchmark also. So this is just an example of how you can include both the currency of choice and the benchmark. So that's essentially what you can do, but it doesn't have to look like this. You can opt to make it as detailed as possible according to your needs. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.